Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we will explain the trades that we provided in our VIP group and free group. This is our free group and the link is available in the description. We also provide signals in the free group and all our signals there are completely free of cost, so you can check it out. Now let's move on to the video. This was the OTC market, and in the OTC market, we provided signals in the VIP group. If you want to join, the link is available in the description or you can text us on Telegram. Now let's move on to the first trade. This was the first trade which we provided on Intel OTC for the downside move. Let me explain the logic behind this trade. You can see there was a moving average, and the previous candle was also taking resistance from the moving average. That's why we provided a signal for the downside move, and this was a clear win. Now let's move on to the next trade, which we provided on Microsoft OTC for the call upside move. Here you can see a support level, and the previous candle left a wick on the downside showing a possible upside movement. That's why we provided a signal for the upside move, and this was an amazing win. Now let's move on to the next trade, which we provided on Tesla OTC for the downside move. This was the trade. We got the entry above the moving average, and from the moving average, the market rejected the price. You can also see a downtrend here. That's why we provided a signal for the downside move, and this was also an amazing win. So here we won 3 non-martingale trades. If you want to join us, the link is available in the description, or you can text us on Telegram. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you learned something new, subscribe to the channel. If you have any doubts or suggestions, feel free to comment down below. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye guys!